It is a warm Saturday morning. Lily stands in front of her mirror at home. Her long dark hair looks flat and a little messy.
I want to change. I want to look fresh. Today, I need a glow up.
She opens her phone and scrolls through pictures of hair colors. Her eyes stop at a bright copper orange photo.
Wow, this is so pretty. Okay, I will do it. I will dye my hair copper orange.
With excitement and a little fear, she grabs her bag and leaves the house. Lily walks down the street and sees Bright Star Hair Salon. She pushes the door and comes in. The salon looks bright and calm, with warm lights, soft music, and a clean, fresh smell. Hannah, the hairstylist, walks toward her with a big smile.
Hello! Welcome! How can I help you today?
Hi, I want a haircut and I want to dye my hair. I want copper orange.
Hannah's eyes light up.
Oh, copper orange! Beautiful choice.
Is it difficult?
Maybe a little. But don't worry. We can do it.
She smiles too confidently, which makes Lily a bit nervous. Hannah guides Lily to a chair.
Okay, let's talk. Do you want dark copper orange or soft natural copper?
I want soft copper orange. Not too bright.
Very nice, but your hair is very dark. To make this color, we need to bleach first.
Bleach? Is it dangerous?
No, don't worry. Bleaching just makes your hair lighter. Then we add the orange color.
Lily takes a deep breath.
Okay, I trust you.
Lily lies down on a hair wash bed.
First, I will wash your hair.
The water is warm and gentle.
Is the water okay?
Yes, it feels very nice.
After washing, Hannah cuts the ends of Lily's hair.
Not too short, please.
Just a little trim. Don't worry.
Hair falls softly on the floor. Lily relaxes a bit. Everything is going well. Then, Hannah mixes bleach. Mark, the trainee, comes to help. He looks nervous, but excited.
Okay, Lily. Now we put bleach. Your hair will get lighter.
Okay, I'm ready.
They apply bleach to her hair. Time passes. 20 minutes later.
Is it working?
Yes, your hair is getting lighter.
40 minutes later. Mark checks a small section of hair.
Wow, so bright!
What do you mean, bright?
Hannah takes off Lily's hair cap. Her hair is now blonde. Very blonde.
What? Why is my hair blonde? I look like a banana.
Hannah laughs.
Relax! This is normal. We need blonde hair first before we can dye it orange.
Oh, really? I thought something went wrong.
Mark whispers.
Sometimes it goes wrong, but not today.
Lily freezes.
Mark, stop scaring her.
After that, Hannah mixes the orange dye.
Okay, time for the fun part.
Please make it pretty. Not too orange.
Yes, yes, soft copper. I know.
Lily watches the bright orange cream going on her very blonde hair. Lily whispers to herself.
Please, don't let me look like a carrot.
Mark hears her.
Don't worry, more like a beautiful carrot.
Mark, I think you really need to stop talking.
Lily sits with her hair wrapped in plastic foil. A kid in the salon looks at her and says,
Mummy, why's her head orange?
I'm transforming.
The mom pulls the kid away quickly. Poor Lily. Glowing up is not easy. Hannah washes Lily's hair and starts to dry it. Soft curls appear. The warm light from the salon hits her hair beautifully.
Okay, are you ready?
She turns the chair. Lily opens her eyes. Her hair shines copper orange, warm, soft, bright, but natural. The color looks perfect on her skin.
Wow, this is beautiful. I really love it.
I told you. Trust the process.
And trust me too.
Mark, please stop.
Lily laughs.
Thank you so much. I came here to glow up, and I think I did.
And just like that, Lily got her glow up. A scary moment, a blonde surprise, but in the end, a perfect copper orange hair. Lily walks out of the salon, her hair shining under the sunlight. She feels confident, happy, and brand new.
10 out of 10. Today is absolutely my glow up day.
And that is a day at the salon of Lily. Now, let's check how well you understand the story with a quick quiz. Question 1. How does Lily's hair look at the beginning? A. Short and curly. B. Flat and messy. C. Bright and orange. The answer is B. Flat and messy. Question 2. What hair color does Lily want? A. Blonde. B. Brown. C. Copper orange. The answer is C. Copper orange. Question 3. Why does Hannah bleach Lily's hair first? A. To cut it shorter. B. To make the hair lighter. C. To wash the hair. The answer is B. To make the hair lighter. Question 4. What does Lily say she looks like after bleaching? A. A carrot. B. A banana. C. A star. The answer is B. A banana. Question 5. How does Lily feel at the end of the story? A. Sad. B. Confident. C. Tired. The answer is B. Confident. Great job! You finished the story and the quiz. Thank you for watching and learning with me. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more easy English. See you next time. Bye-bye.